Welcome back, everybody. This is Eric here with Iraq Veteran 8888. And you know, guys, I guess sometimes they say better late than never. Better to have loved and lost than have never to have loved at all. We are late on our man can announcement, but thank you guys for being patient with us. We are shipping out the EDC cans now. They are awesome. I think you're going to love them. We're going to do the unboxing on that. We have missed a window of opportunity to announce the theme for July. July is already sold out. So right now, if you go on the website, if you're wanting to get a man can, August is going to be the can that's for sale right now, and the current theme is survival. You guys are going to love it. What we're going to do in this video, I'm going to give you some hints about what's going to be in July's can, and we're going to unbox June's can. So we're sort of doing two man can announcements kind of in one. So I appreciate your patience, guys. It's been a really interesting couple of weeks trying to get all this stuff together. We tried something a little bit more outside the box with this can, so we wanted to make sure that you guys are completely stoked and happy and got plenty of good value. For those of you that don't know what man cans are, it's basically a box that I sell. Each month we select a theme. You pre-order the box, and we select a bunch of cool items. It's intended to be a mystery box. The funds that you spend on the can go to support the channel and help us further putting out content. So those of you that support man cans are directly responsible for supporting the furthering of our channel, and we appreciate you guys all very much. I know everybody's having a busy summer. Everybody's hanging out with the fam, doing things. I understand that that's the time of year that we're in right now, and we're definitely in the same boat. We've been traveling, doing lots of cool stuff, and I know you guys are enjoying your summer as well. So I'll try to keep this video very short. I know everybody's time is precious to them, so I'll try to keep this quick and to the point. This is the part of the video where we're going to be unboxing June, which is EDC. We did a big relaunch of the website, we did a discount code, and we really tried to put this can out in a way that is just completely awesome. Now, it's going to look a little bit on the light side, but the thing is, I think that the items are awesome, and you guys are really going to enjoy them. So what we did with this EDC box, and obviously this is a spoiler, so if you want to be surprised, you don't want to watch this part of the video because we're going to be giving away some spoilers. We wanted to make sure that every tier of buyer got a knife in their box, and I think you guys are going to be completely stoked. That's one thing that we've really wanted to do, is just make sure that each tier of offering just has a lot of great value and that people are really happy with what they're getting. If you don't know, man cans are sold in 3 different tiers. You have a regular, a man up, and a mega. And if you buy the more expensive box, you generally get the items that are in the lesser expensive cans in most cases. In this case, not everybody gets the lower knives that were in the regular and the man up, but each tier basically has its own specific knife that we made for that tier, which is kind of cool. All right, so we're going to go through. The regular one consisted of, we're obviously going to show off the regular knife, but we did a Coltac wallet with a 10% discount code. Okay, that's part of the regular box, and these are made right here in the US, which is cool. We did a key bar magnet, which, you know, it can be used with your key bar, but can also be used with your keychain. And basically what they are is rare earth magnets that are really, really strong. So you could set this thing up on like a, on basically like a little dongle or something, if you know, or a little something you can snap onto your belt to carry around your keys and be able to just detach it with the magnet, or it's meant to carry around your key bar or whatever. But these things are great, and they're made right here in Georgia, which is awesome. Okay, you're getting a patch, pocket dump patch. That's kind of a tradition with these. All right, and then everybody gets 15% off from Savoy leather. Okay, and obviously the knife. Okay, so you know, not as many physical items, but this knife is very, very nice quality. Really good machining. It's got our logo on it. Ball bearings, assisted open, you know, just a killer little EDC type knife, you know, and that's what we were going for. So everybody in the regular can gets a knife. And we've done a couple of different knives in the standard cans before. We've tried doing like maybe just some lesser expensive folders and things, but we decided to spend a little bit more money and get a better knife than what we've offered in the past. So this is a killer knife, and a lot of the people that I've shown all of these various knives to, a lot of folks really like the standard knife almost even more than some of the other ones, which is cool. All right, so that's your standard box. We're trying to really focus on useful stuff and quality over quantity in terms of the items. So we wanted to give you guys stuff that you could use, okay, for the money. And if you look up like the prices on the Coltac wallets, you look up the prices on the Magnuts, the value is definitely there. So getting into the Man Up basically doesn't include the knife, this knife. It has a different knife, but you also get all of these items plus Savoy leather wrist strap. All right, it says "We the People." All right, and they did this one with the little snap buttons, which allow you to basically just choose 2 different sizes. So we weren't really sure about wrist sizes, so we wanted to account for different size people and everything like that. So you've got a large and small size available to you with the snap, which is really cool. And you know, it's black leather, which is nice. Really cool there. I've got one of these myself. I like it. All right, so that's the Man Up can, and we've also got a specific knife that is going in the Man Up can. All right. Now this one is kind of a little bit different of a take. It's a little bit larger of a knife in terms of size. It's got a glass breaker, a seatbelt cutter, rope cutter, which is really cool. And it's a really, really cool knife. Okay, you got a pocket clip on there. Nice weight, not too overly heavy. This is a neat knife, okay? So this is what the Man Up guys are getting, and it's got our logo on it. You know, a lot of times when we're ordering these products, we do like to put our logos on them when we can. Sometimes it adds a little bit to the additional lead time on getting them out. But I think it's cool because people are supporting the channel, and I know that they buy these cans to support the channel. So we want them to have something that's from us. It's a little bit more personal when we personalize some of the items. I feel that that's pretty important, and I hope you guys can agree with me there. We appreciate every single one of you guys, believe me, because it's not getting any easier for us to exist in this realm that we're in on YouTube. And you know, our fans supporting us and everything like that is a very, very important thing to us, and it's important for our continued survival. So those of you that support us on Patreon, Man Cans, those of you that purchase shirts, all of those funds go to just bettering the channel. In fact, we're actually about to make a very considerable equipment upgrade. We are going to buy probably a better camera. So all of those funds, guys, they go towards furthering our content in a bigger and better way each time. So anyway, getting on to the Mega. All right, so this knife here is killer. All right, it is nice and lightweight. Man, this knife is really, really great. Okay, it's got our logo on it, good edge. I guess that's G10 handles, really lightweight, such a nice setup. Okay, so the Mega Man Up knife, obviously, and then we also, now this is something a little bit different than what we've done in the past, and in case I didn't mention, you guys are also getting the 20% off key bar coupon as well. That's something that goes in the standard box. Everybody gets the 20% off key bar coupon as well. All right. Something else we did. Now, this is a little bit different. You guys know that we deal with Blue Alpha Gear a good bit. Kurt over there, he's a really good dude, and he puts out some awesome belts. So what we did for the Mega Man Up, so you get the little bit better knife, and you get all the other stuff, but you get a $40 off any Blue Alpha Gear belt. Okay, and the way that we wanted to do that, if you wanted to get like their $30 belt, okay, that's what this is right here. Both of these belt designs he sells for 30 bucks. You can take this coupon. It's free shipping, guys. And you take your coupon if you're a Mega Man Up buyer, and you can go on and get either one of these belts. We had to do the coupon style because we wanted you guys to be able to select your sizes and all that stuff. We didn't want anybody to, we wanted people to have a little bit of a choice in terms of what they wanted to do. So we offered the $40 off coupon. This belt is 30 bucks. So you can basically get either one of these belts shipped to you. And that's with your card, okay? But they also, for some of you that might want to go up the rabbit or down the rabbit hole a little bit, he does offer one with the Cobra Buckle. These are $65. So if you wanted the upgrade on the belt, you'd still get $40 off. So you basically get a $65 belt for what? What's the difference? $25, and it's free shipping. So you're basically getting a $65 belt for $25 if that's the route you want to go. Or if you really want to go down the crazy route. Now, this belt is pretty expensive because it's two belts in one. It's got an inner liner, Molly, Cobra Buckle. I mean, this is their duty belt. So if you were always looking at this belt and maybe you just weren't sure if you wanted to get one or not, you do get $40 off, which is great. I know that may not be an option for some of you, but we wanted to provide that option there in case some people did want to upgrade. They would get a heavy discount on the upper tier belt. Honestly, out of all the belts that Kurt makes, my favorite one is this one. I really like the Cobra Buckles a lot. And this is just kind of a nice medium line belt, not overly expensive or anything like that, but not a cheap one either, which even his entry-level belts are still excellent for the money. They certainly are. But the Cobra Buckles are really where these belts gain a lot of their additional cost. These Cobra, buckles are very expensive to buy. Okay, so that's one aspect that adds to the cost of the belt. But Kurt's a great dude, so with this box, what we were really trying to get into, guys, is EDC, knives, belts, a wallet, and a way to carry your keys, a cool little wristband. I mean, really trying to focus on things that are useful and cool and everything like that. So hopefully we knocked this one out of the park. I really hope that you guys are happy with this one. You have no idea how important that is to us, for you guys to be happy and satisfied, because I know that we all work very hard to make a living. You guys work hard, and I know that when you buy a product from me, when you buy a man can, you're trusting me with your hard-earned money, and you're also trusting that you're going to get something that makes you happy, and you're also trusting in us to put out great content that you guys enjoy, and you are basically throwing a chip in our pile to help further support the channel. So you're really doing a lot more than just buying a product. You're supporting our channel, which is awesome, and you guys are wonderful. Thank you for that. So this part of the video, I'm going to just quickly give you a couple of hints about July. Okay, so July's can, if you bought the camping and fishing can, which was July, it will be going out hopefully here in about another 2 or 3 weeks. So those are, knock on wood, relatively on time at the moment. We are dealing with some new suppliers, so I apologize for the delay, but we want to make sure you guys get the quality of product that you want, and that we're making these things as good as we possibly can for the money. We want you guys to see value in what you get. We want you guys to be nothing but happy, okay? I'm going to drop a couple of hints. Remember, guys, the can that's for sale right now is Survival. It's August can that you're ordering. So remember, on the 1st of each month, next month's can goes up for sale. It's a pre-order. So we will run the pre-sale for 2 or 3 weeks or whatever, turn in our units, get the product in. That's how that whole process works. So right now, Survival is the can that's for sale. We weren't able to announce the fact that the fishing can was available because our announcement for the June unboxing was a little bit late. So hopefully you guys understand that. That's why I'm going to give some hints for those of you that ordered July's can. I want to give a few hints. This is not intended to be an unboxing, but this is to give you a few hints on what we're going to try to put into the fishing and camping can. So remember, if you're ordering a man can right now, as of right now, you're ordering Survival, okay? You're not ordering July's can. It's sold out. Just want to make that clear. I know this is kind of confusing to some, but I'm trying my best to make this make sense, guys. And I'm trying to keep this quick. I know you guys are busy. I know everybody has things they'd rather be doing. I'm trying to keep this quick. All right, so for July, now, look, this is tentative. These items might change around just a little bit, so bear with me. Don't take this for gospel. This is just to give you guys some ideas. If you order July's can and you want to be surprised, do not watch this part of the video because we're giving away some hints here in terms of the stuff. So here's what we have. Regular can, we did a canteen, a fire making implement, a headlamp, a fishing hat, a patch, and a snack stick. For the Man Up can, you get all the below, and we did a Mora knife, we did a mess kit in addition. So you get the mess kit and the Mora knife in addition to the regular items. And I know that's hard to visualize because they're not in front of us. And remember, these are tentative. These items might change around a little bit. Mega Man Up, we got a Mora fillet knife, okay, the mess kit. And it says here some type of rod. So I think we're going to try to work out some type of collapsible, portable fishing rod or something like that. So that is kind of a tentative look at some of July items. That is going to change a little bit possibly, but I just want to give you some hints because I know some people order July and they're itching, wanting to know what is in it. We may not necessarily make a July unboxing. We'll see. But I wanted to just include that in there just for people that wanted to know. So guys, if you want to get in on your man can right now, Survival is the one that's for sale for August. We're really excited for it. We're going to continue to try to put more and more useful things into these boxes. We want you guys to be happy. We want you guys to want to support the channel and to be rewarded for supporting the channel. And I mean, ultimately, we care about what you guys think. I mean, let us know if there's anything we can do. We are working on lead times. We want these to go out on time. Bear with us. We're working on trying to get our supply kind of in order and getting everything worked out. So it's very important to me that you guys are happy and that you enjoy the content. So always let us know if there's any specific content you want to see. We'll try to make any videos we can that you have to see as best we can. And guys, thank you for supporting the channel. If you've made it through the video this far, I know this is a longer video, but thank you very much for the support. I know lots of people are on vacation, doing things with their family, out and about. I know summer's kind of one of those times where you're out and doing things, and it's hard to want to spend money on other things, and I totally get that. It's completely fine. But if you do support the channel and have supported the channel in the past, thank you all very much. Both our Patreons, Man-Can supporters, folks that buy t-shirts, all of you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. We wouldn't be able to continue on without your help. So thank you very much for watching today's video. Thank you for purchasing your Man-Can. We hope that you love the items. We'll see you all soon. Much more content on the way. We've got so many cool things coming out, and we can't wait to share them with you. So thank you very much. We'll see you soon. And again, don't forget, if you want August Man-Can, it's for sale now. It's Survival. You're going to love it. Really, really cool stuff. We are doing a piece of cutlery in the August can. So stay tuned for that. Those will be available soon. And make sure you go check that out. Guys, thank you very much. We'll see you next time.